What's going on, guys? Welcome. Today is Thanksgiving in Florida. I don't know what it is in the rest of your parts of the world, but today we're gonna practice how to. Hey, we're gonna cut that up. This is the correct way to roll your corn when you're gonna roast it. First, you take your little thing, your little foil paper. It has to be a 12 by 10 and 3/4 sheets, or you're doing it wrong. If it's not needed, stop what you're doing right now. Pause this video, go out, go to the store and get some 10 and 3/4 by 12 inch. Okay. Then you're gonna take it long way. Hold it in half. You're gonna put your corn in there. Boom. Look at me. Then you're gonna use your thumbs. You're gonna make sure it's straight. You're gonna make sure it's straight. Then you're gonna roll it over. You know, roll it like this. You know, roll it, 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 roll it. Then you're gonna lick it, and then you're gonna seal it. Boom. Perfect. And that's how you do it.